Today we're going to be talking specifically about the Salesforce Certified Administrator Certification exam. This exam is the gateway into the Salesforce ecosystem. If you want to land a job as a Salesforce professional or obtain many other certifications, the Salesforce Administrator Certification is where you want to get started. Today we're going to explain an overview of the Salesforce Administrator Certification exam and what you can expect when moving into preparing for this test. The first thing to note is this is considered an entry-level certification test. That doesn't mean it's easy, it just means it is the easiest test that is available as a Salesforce certification. The next thing to note is that as far as studying goes, you're going to want to use primarily Trailhead, which is Salesforce's training offering. It's completely free, and that's where you're going to want to train. If you haven't seen our Getting Started with Trailhead video, make sure to check that one out now and then come back and finish off this video. So make sure to get started training on Trailhead. That typically takes somewhere from 1 to 3 months of training on Trailhead, depending on your background, for you to be prepared for this certification test. And that is 1 to 3 months of studying at about 10 hours a week on Trailhead to be prepared. Now, of course, you're also going to want to check out some other materials on being prepared for the certification exam, and you can check out our video on how to prepare outside of Trailhead. This includes groups like Focus on Force or just being part of Facebook and Salesforce communities so that you can get a more diverse knowledge of what to expect on the certification exam. Another thing to note is there are no prerequisites. This means there are no other certifications that you need in order to obtain this certification. For many of the other exams, like the Sales and Service Cloud Consultants that we'll talk about in other videos, you are actually required to have certifications before you're allowed to take those exams. So for the Salesforce Certified Administrator, there are no prerequisites. Again, this is an entry-level certification and very often is the first certification that you'll be taking in your Salesforce journey. The cost of this exam is $200. So to actually sign up through WebAssessor and get registered to take the exam, it is $200 to take the exam. You can take that on site at a testing center, or you can take that at home from your own computer. If $200 sounds a little steep, or you're just the type of person who likes a discount, you can sign up for the Salesforce free webinars, which will get you $100 off the exam price. That link is in the video description for the webinar sign up. And if you're very patient and you don't have a certification yet, and this is going to be your first certification, you can actually get a free exam voucher, but you have to wait for Salesforce to release those. And we have a link in the description to the current exam voucher, but we never know when those are going to expire. That's totally up to Salesforce when they stop the promotion. So that's really the main information around the Salesforce Certified Administrator Certification that you want to focus on. It's really get started on Trailhead. This is going to take 1 to 3 months for you to train diligently at 10 hours a week and be prepared. It's going to cost about $200, although you can get discounts. This is considered an entry-level position, and there are no prerequisites for this certification. We hope that helps. Please leave any questions you have in the comments for the video. Please make sure to subscribe to our content if you want to see more videos like this and you're finding this valuable. And we will see you next time. Thanks.